Hello everyone. Start off by taking these two containers, cut off the thicker edges of it. Then take some wooden sticks, cut them up into equal pieces. Add them all around your circular pieces and then make a frame out of it as such. Add multiple wooden sticks to it all around to make it even more stronger. Then add some tree sticks that have been cut off. At the top, add a conical shape as such to form the roof. Then take this thread and then add it to the top as such. Untangle it or unwind it and then make it look like this. At the top, make it circle around. Then add a lantern or a light into it and then hang it up in any place that you like. Next, start off by taking multiple of these roses. Now we'll be making a base out of it. Take the container of this and then remove the base. Trace out the shape of a snowflake as such all around it and then cut it out according to these shapes. Paint it in green as such. Also do this for the cap portion of it. Paint the base as well and then use green and white and yellow for it. Take a transparent sheet and then paint it in yellow. Now proceed to paint the bulb in green. Take some white paint and then using a paintbrush, line it accordingly. Line the inner sheet with yellow paper as well. After painting your bulb, pull a thread through it and then insert it into the box that you have created. Take two glasses, insert one into the other and then put the container on top of it and then insert your bulb into it. Now you may set it on any sort of table and then turn it on as you like. It may be used as a very nice dinner table decoration. Next, start off by taking a bottle, cut off the top portion of it. Then take some cardboard paper, make a conical shape out of it. Add tape all around it and then add some jute thread to the top. You may also add lace to the bottom portion of it. Take the top of the bottle cap and then attach it to the bottom of your conical shape. Then take a wire shape and then wrap it around jute. It should look like a little lamp. Attach this portion to the other and then take some more thread and then make it dangle and hang. You may add a little light to it and then turn it on as you please. It can be used as a night lamp. Take an empty chocolate box or any sort of decorative box as such. Take the top part of the container, cut out a circle in the top portion of it. Now, once you're done with this, add thread all around it. Then, line it with some jute thread as such, a thick piece of lace that is. Now, take multiple pieces of this thread and then fold it. After folding it, bring both the sides of it to the center to make it look like a bow. Now, cut off a small piece of cloth. Cut out multiple of these and once again, line it with some thread. Let it be grey or beigeish in color. Then, tie it all to a stick. Take a circular piece and then tie some thread to it as well. Now take your thread and then tie a knot to it. Insert it to the corner of this box. Add the different pieces together and then take multiple of these curtain-like pieces and add it to all four sides of it. This is what it should look like. Take these bulb wires and then open it slightly. Twist it together and insert it right through the center. After joining each of them in, nail it together as such. Then join the plug portion of it as well. Attach the bulb and then insert it into your creation. This is what it should finally look like. Thank you for watching.